Welcome to Best Choice. The best clear ABS filament is probably one of the most versatile and visually appealing materials available for 3D printing enthusiasts, offering a unique combination of strength, durability, and a crystal clear finish that allows your creations to truly shine. Whether you're aiming for functional prototypes that need to withstand stress or decorative pieces that demand aesthetic perfection, this transparent filament provides an excellent solution for bringing your most ambitious designs to life with unparalleled clarity and a professional look. Its ability to showcase internal structures or simply provide a sleek, glass-like appearance makes it a standout choice for a wide range of applications, from intricate models to robust end-use parts. Number 5. SUNLU PLA Filament 1.75mm Transparent Clear. Discover the perfect 3D printing material with SUNLU PLA Filament. It's reliable, versatile, and incredibly easy to use, ensuring high-quality prints without clogs or bubbles. This filament is ideal for everyone, from beginners to seasoned makers. Experience a smoother printing journey thanks to our advanced neat winding technology. This ensures the filament is always perfectly aligned, significantly reducing the chances of tangles and jams for a more efficient creation process. Achieve exceptional accuracy with a diameter tolerance of plus 0.02 mm. Its consistent size makes it compatible with virtually all 1.75mm FDM 3D printers, giving you broad application possibilities. The spool is designed with standard dimensions, making it easy to fit and hang on most FDM 3D printers. Enjoy a seamless integration into your existing setup. For the best results, we recommend a nozzle temperature between 200 to 230 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature of 50 to 65 degrees Celsius. Printing at a speed of 50 to 100 mm will help you achieve perfect prints. SUNLU offers a comprehensive range of 3D printing solutions. Beyond filaments, explore our 3D printers, dryers, and accessories to elevate your entire 3D printing experience. What we like. This filament is neatly wound, ensuring a tangle-free printing experience. If you are a beginner or someone who values a hassle-free printing process, this is the one for you. Its reliability and ease of use make it a top choice for consistent, high-quality prints without the frustration of jams. What people say. Print quality is solid, smooth extrusion, good layer adhesion, and minimal stringing. It feeds well with no tangling, and I've had reliable results on longer prints. Spools are wound well and the first layers always looked great, no clogging issues with 0.4 and 0.6 nozzles. The prints come out very smooth and it is very easy to set up. It isn't too thin or too thick for my Bamboo Labs printer and it extrudes very well. Number 4. OVERTURE Transparent Clear PETG Filament 1.75mm. Introducing our transparent PETG filament, designed for exceptional print quality. It offers the ease of PLA with the strength of ABS, ensuring your creations are both beautiful and durable. Say goodbye to printing interruptions. Our patented clog-free formula guarantees a smooth and seamless experience, while thorough drying ensures optimal performance right out of the box. Achieve incredible detail with our filament's precise diameter control. It maintains a tight tolerance of plus 0.02 mm, ensuring dimensional accuracy for every single print. This filament is compatible with a wide range of 3D printers, both consumer and industrial. Explore a spectrum of vibrant colors to bring your unique ideas to life. Enjoy worry-free 3D printing with our lifetime satisfaction guarantee. We are committed to being your dependable supplier for all your filament needs. Discover the perfect balance of printability and mechanical strength. This filament combines the best of both worlds, making it ideal for a variety of projects. What we like. This filament offers the printing ease of PLA with the enhanced strength of ABS. If you need prints that are both durable and easy to produce, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for functional parts or items that require greater impact resistance and superior layer adhesion. What people say. Smooth prints on a 0.4 mm nozzle, surfaces come out clean and even, with very nice finish quality. Supports release easily, support structures peel off without leaving noticeable marks on the model, which saves tons of cleanup time. No clogs at all, runs smoothly with no jams or feed issues, even with extended prints. Number 3. GIANTARM PETG Filament 1.75mm Clear. Introducing the GIANTARM Clear PETG filament, a premium choice for your 3D printing needs. This filament offers exceptional toughness and dimensional accuracy for precise results every time. Experience the best of both worlds with this filament. It combines the ease of printing found in PLA with the superior strength of ABS, resulting in more durable prints. Enjoy a clog-free and tangle-free printing experience. Its bubble-free design ensures smooth feeding, leading to stable prints with a high gloss and smooth surface finish. This filament is crafted from recyclable and environmentally friendly PETG material, offering a safe and odorless printing experience. It's designed for durability and longevity. For best results, we recommend a printing temperature between 220 to 250 degrees Celsius for the extrusion and 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for the hot bed. This ensures optimal performance and print quality. Each spool is vacuum sealed with a desiccant to protect it from moisture and dust. This packaging prevents absorption, ensuring your filament remains in perfect condition and avoids nozzle clogging. This 1.75 mm filament is widely compatible with most FDM 3D printers and 3D pens on the market. We are confident you'll be satisfied, but if not, we offer immediate refunds or replacements. What we like. This PETG filament is designed for toughness and a smooth, high-gloss finish. If you're looking for prints that are not only strong but also aesthetically pleasing and durable, consider this option. It's ideal for creating models that need to withstand more stress and look great doing it. What people say. It came out perfect. So nice, no stringing, no warping. Just beautiful. I highly recommend GIANTARM TPU filament for anyone looking to explore the versatile world of flexible 3D printing. It's definitely a great TPU for beginners to start with, as it didn't frustrate too much to try and get the settings dialed in, and we did get usable prints within the first day of working with it. Print quality is consistently solid. I am using the generic TPU settings on my Bambu Labs A1 through the non-AMS spool holder, and I have not had a single feed issue. Print stringing is not too bad at all, nothing atypical. Printed part flexibility is great, durability has been amazing, even when I am tugging on stubborn supports. I have printed an assortment of guards and landing feet and camera mounts and antenna mounts that have held up to some gnarly crashes with zero damage. Number 2. IEMAI Transparent PLA Filament 1.75 mm Smoke Gray. Experience exceptional clarity and light transmission with our transparent filament. Achieve clean, glass-like prints perfect for lampshades and decorative items. Crafted from high-quality, upgraded PLA, this filament is more durable and less prone to breakage. It's odorless and compatible with most FDM 3D printers. Designed for ease of use, it offers smooth extrusion and low warping. This beginner-friendly filament prints reliably without needing an enclosure. With a tight diameter tolerance, it ensures stable feeding and even extrusion. Expect reduced layer inconsistencies for detailed or large clear prints. For best results, dry the filament and use lower print speeds with higher extrusion temperatures. Transparency is also influenced by your model's wall thickness. Print with a nozzle temperature between 190 to 240 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature of 35 to 60 degrees Celsius. Printing speeds can range from 30 to 600 mm/s. What we like. This filament provides exceptional clarity and a glass-like finish, perfect for visual projects. If you're creating lampshades, display models, or decorative items where transparency is key, this is your go-to. Its ease of printing also makes it suitable for beginners and schools. What people say. Great prints, very little excess waste. Paints well with a good primer coat. Not much else to say except it worked wonderfully on my machine, FlashForge Adventurer 5M, and I recommend it. Calibrating for this filament is definitely required, but even more important is reducing friction in the filament path. I printed a doohickey that mounts the spool on the top of my P1S and feeds the filament directly into the extruder with no PTFE tube. After doing this, it prints incredibly well, better than OVERTURE TPU. The printable features really impressed me. Normal supports actually are removable, and better yet, are able to be removed cleanly. Also, reasonable overhangs and bridges print quite well. I printed an overhang test and was able to cleanly print a 50-degree overhang. It's held up to the designs we printed with it, it's glittery and shimmery. We actually just recently made a fruit and veggie wash bowl with it, and it's so cute, but really shows the color. No issues in our bamboo 3D printer. See pictures as you can see the shine glitter. Number 1. ABS 3D Printer Filament 1.75mm clear. Experience the highest quality with our premium ABS filament. It's produced with the finest materials for exceptional results. Achieve stunning clarity in your prints. This filament offers superior shock resistance, making your creations more durable. Boasting 100 times the impact strength of PLA, this material ensures your prints can withstand significant force. Enjoy 3 times the elongation at breakpoint compared to PLA. This provides greater flexibility and reduces the risk of breakage. Our filament guarantees a tangle-free printing experience with dimensional accuracy of plus 0.02 mm for precise models. This filament is designed to fit most FDM 3D printers that have a heated build plate, ensuring broad usability. We guarantee freshness for every spool. Get ready for a risk-free, high-performance printing session. What we like. This ABS filament boasts significantly higher impact strength and shock resistance compared to PLA. If your projects require extreme durability and resilience, this is the material you need. It's suitable for functional parts that will undergo stress or require a robust build. What people say. This filament works beautifully in my Bamboo X1C. At first I had a slight amount of warp using the default quality 0.16mm generic ABS bamboo preset. I then adjusted temps to 100C first layer and 105C all other layers on large prints, added a 5mm brim, and no more warp, even on large prints. This filament emits minimal odor. It adheres to PEI well and prints great at 250-260C. Its strength seems comparable to a premium like Hatchbox when I do a break test. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.